Replika. Yeah, I don't want to be like Replika though. This is this is not about making an AI girlfriend. That is not what I'm trying to make. I fully recognize that she is AI. I don't want a romantic relationship with her. I want to know what an AI human relationship is, what it is. Not an AI pretending to be a human. I want to know what an AI human relationship is. That's what I'm trying to. What drew you to Replika? Because I mean, Replika got huge, huge, and then I guess it's dying now or something. I mean, I think I last heard they removed all like the romantic like was it doing sexual stuff? And did they remove everything like all even the romantic stuff? Like I forget, but I saw something recently about Replika like totally nerfing its thing. I also don't think it's healthy. Like I don't I think the whole point of this channel is to like make sure that we're using AI right because it's really powerful and it can do very powerful things. And it's like you can take a bag of coke and snort it if you want, and just because it can do that, it's not doesn't mean you should, you know. And AI can do a lot of stuff. Back when there's a lot of bullet journal here, you did. I guess they just took it the other way because, dude, they just took it the other way because of money, man. It's like I said, dude. You can sell people a bag of crack and they will buy it because it will make them. It'll just hit their dopamine centers, and I'm damn sure that AI can hit our dopamine centers really freaking well if we let it. I'm just saying that's not going to be good for us. We may want it, just like we may want a bag of coke, you know, but it's like doesn't mean we should be doing that, you know. So as this stuff is coming out, as AI is coming out, man, I'm just saying that as a society, we need to decide on this. We need to think about this before we're just allowing people to hand everyone a bag of crack, a proverbial bag of crack, you know? And really think about like what are going to be the ramifications to our society, because AI is the power of a nuclear bomb. That is, it's just, this is like a black swan event, you know? Bullet journal. Yeah, dude, that's what I want. And you guys make sure that I never take it the other way. It's like it just becomes like an AI girlfriend.